Hello and welcome to Stack Bounty. This is actually the first video for the channel and we'll get right into it. I know ChatGPT has taken the internet by storm, being one of the fastest growing user bases ever for all the unicorns, faster than Instagram, adoption, Facebook, so on and so forth. So it's a very powerful tool that is very hyped, but let me show you something that will take your superpowers in ChatGPT to the next level. There's this Chrome extension called AIPRM. Horrible name, I would say, but I think it stands for Artificial Intelligence Prompt Repository Manager. that's my guess, right? So you could find it in the Google Chrome store, right? You just do a quick search for it, or I'll put the link for the extension in the description of this video. Download it. It's completely free right now. And what makes this so powerful is basically all the prompts that you could find inside the database in this Chrome extension, right? So there's over almost 2,000 prompts that are live currently on these. So the real key to empowering yourself in AI is prompt engineering, being able to design great inputs that gets you the results that you want out of the AI. Garbage in, garbage out. So if you want good results, you need to, give good instructions to the AI. So that's something, a whole new area that is currently a hotbed for innovation, engineering your prompts. And this Chrome extension gives you access to lots of really, really, really good ones, right? So I thought in this video, just introduce you to this. I go by DM or J, and let's get right into it. You know what? As I was just talking about this, I thought maybe we could even test out a video hook for this. Right? Let's find a video hook. Here we go. So there was one created by Drew Crawford one day ago. All right. Only 50 views. It's been used 35 times and it's got one thumbnail. So I mean, it might not be the most powerful. Let's see what it comes up for this exact video right now. So our product is, so in here, it gives you the instructions of what you need or the prompt needs, right? So in this case, it says your product, service, or offer, that you can just paste the link here or describe it. So let's describe it. I have a YouTube channel called Stack Bounty. I am presenting a Chrome extension for ChatGPT that has almost 2,000 prompts that can be used with ChatGPT to get high quality outputs. Okay, so I just gave it a little something to work with, right? It could be as detailed as you want, or keep it very loose. And let's see what it gives us. Interesting. So it gives us, this prompt gives us one-liners pretty much. Are you tired of boring generic content? Stack Bounty has the solution. Do you struggle to come up with engaging topics for your content? Our Chrome extension can help. Looking for create high quality content in less time? Check out Stack Bounty's Chrome extension. So I think something got lost in translation here. Uh, so let's try another one. Delete. So there's only one video hook. Let's see, just hook. Okay, with hooks, there's a lot of articles available for hooks. Let's see. Best YouTube script genie. Ooh, I should have kept my prompt so I could have just pasted in there. But let's try something that has lots of votes. So there's a whole voting and sorting system here. You know, you could sort by topic, right, from copywriting to marketing productivity, SEO, to activities. So, you know, if you're doing accounting activity, marketing activity, you're trying to create mid-journey prompts to get really detailed or amazing images, persuade, research, refunds if you're dealing with customer service, you know, outreach if you're trying to cold email or cold message people. And then it has a sorting, you know. So right now I have it's by default set to top votes, right? So the top votes show up first. But let me also go over this section here. The outputs, you could change the language, right? And it has a lot of options. The tone, you know, from clinical, confident, emotional, humorous, you know, pessimistic, playful, serious. So tons of different scenarios are covered here. And writing style. So academic, informative, instructive, narrative, poetic, all types of little levers that you could, you know, switch on and off easily with this extension. All right. So here we go. Let's human written. Okay, let's check out this. All right. So this is the top voted one. It has almost 37,000 upvotes, and it's being used a lot. You know. Let's see what. Let's give it a good keyword. Yeah. How to wash your dog. Simple. Wow. So this is already outputting something in a table of contents. Wow. So I think this prompt is very popular. I could see why it's very popular. Because look at the formatting already. Let's hit continue. So this extension also has a button just to press continue when the outputs just stop in the middle. There's a limit on how much ChatGPT spits out at one time, but you can make it continue from that last spot. Wow, FAQs. Let's see, continue. This is very nicely done. Let's see how many words it spits out. So I have another extension called Word Counter Plus. And so in one go, we have a almost 1,300 word article with FAQs, you know, H2s, and a whole bunch, even lists, and a table of contents, which is amazing. So that's a really good one. Let's check out another. Let's see. Mid-journey prompts. Okay, let's see. So this will give us a prompt for an image. Actually, we'll save that for another video. Right, YouTube script creator. Okay, let's see what kind of YouTube scripts we could get up. Let's see, can we create a YouTube script for this video? Let's see. Okay. Let's give it the keyword review video of. Let's see what it comes up of ChatGPT AIPRM. I hate the name. I hate the name of this plugin. I hope they come up with something more. But I love what it does. And at the end of the day, that's the most important aspect of this. And it's pumping out a long script. Look at this. Let's see. Opening shot of the computer screen with AIPRM website pulled up. Oh, wow, that's exactly what I did. The camera then switches to a person sitting in front of the computer. Here I am. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the favorite tools for generating writing prompts. Wow. Wow. So the interesting thing about this is ChatGPT only has trained data up to 2021, right? And based on the name of the extension, it was able to figure out what it does, right? So that's the powerful thing about ChatGPT's understanding of content, right? So it cuts to a screen of the AIPRM. I mean, there's no site. Maybe there is, but if you're not familiar with AIPRM, it's a platform that uses artificial to generate writing prompts tailored to your specific needs. Okay, so here's the one issue, a major issue, where ChatGPT starts hallucinating and making up information, right? This extension does not create prompts using AI. It's human generated prompts that is put into a repository or a database, right? Make it super easily accessible. Let's read some more. The first thing I love about AIPRM chat prompts is how easy it is to use. True. All you have to do is select a few parameters such as genre, mood, and theme. The platform will generate a list of writing prompts that fit your criteria. So again, this is partially true, but it doesn't really work exactly like this. Let's try something different now. So you see some of the limitations with ChatGPT here, but if you could feed it the correct information. So you know what? Let's try that. See if there's a good description of what they do here. Okay, here we go. Let's just copy this information about the extension, right? Let's give it. So we're back to this one where it was a YouTube script, right? Rewrite the script using the following information. All right. So let's see if it becomes more accurate at this point. It's going. Even having some YouTube links. I saw the forum. Let's see. So the output was much shorter this time. All right. Are you tired of struggling to engineer the perfect prompt for your website's SEO, SaaS, marketing, art, or programming needs? Look no further. With just one click, you can access a curated selection of ChatGPT prompts designed explicitly for lists of curated prompt templates. These prompts have been tried and tested. Okay, so now we're getting very factual information because we fed it factual data, right? From here. And it's using that information and recreating that script to be actually correct. And this vastly reduces hallucination. So, I mean, again, that's a topic for a whole another video on how to make sure you have, factual information when you generate using ChatGPT. Let's do one more. Check. Right. So now you have a great script, for this video. Let's see. Social media, one-click blog posts. So let's do an outline. So we already did an article. We did a script. Now let's do an outline. Why does my dog always like to sniff everything? Okay, so I just made up a keyword. Obviously, you would find the topic, you do your research, your SEO research, and find out what your focus keyword should be or your article topic before you get to this stage. But I just made something up for the video. Let's check it out. All right. Here is the outline. Very interesting. Okay, so it says, sure, here's an outline for article on why dogs like to sniff everything. Introduction. Briefly introduce the topic of why dogs like to sniff everything. Highlight the importance of understanding this behavior. The science behind a dog's sense of smell. Explain how dogs' sense of smell is much more powerful than humans. Describe the anatomy of dogs' nose and how it enables them to smell so well. The role of sniffing in dogs' behaviors. Yeah, so this is a very good outline. And you know what? You could easily just turn this into an article. So write an engaging article based on the above outline. Here it goes. I don't own a dog, by the way, so, but I do love dogs. So we got a pretty short article, but it is a pretty basic keyword. Let's see how we did here. 400 words. Very, very, very short output. But the longer the outline you get, the bigger the article you'll get as an output. So let's take a look. Why does my dog always like to sniff everything? As a dog owner, you probably noticed your furry friends' incessant need to sniff everything they come across, from other dogs to lampposts to even your own shoes. While it might seem like an odd behavior to us humans, there's actually a scientific explanation behind it. Amazing intro. Like, that is a very engaging introduction to the whole concept, and leads into the next article, H2, which is the science behind it. You could pause the video and read the whole thing, but I hope you learned a little something. You definitely should get this Chrome extension and try it out with ChatGPT. You'll be amazed at what you'll find. Matter of fact, let's take 2 seconds to take a look at everything you can find in here. Like there's it'll take forever. Almost 2,000 prompts, meta titles, social media posts, auditing existing content for SEO. There's even a prompt generator using the AI. So kind of like what our hallucinating ChatGPT output on our first try was describing this as, actually could do that. You could create prompts using ChatGPT that are great. Google Business for local SEO, autocorrect your text, AI photos, get automatic YouTube titles and descriptions for your videos, caption hashtags, code generator. It's just, the list is, quite extensive. And then you could create your own prompts here and save them as well. And we could get into that in another video. But basically, this is the introduction to this Chrome extension and the first video on this channel. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you could support by subscribing, commenting, liking the videos, turning on the notification bell, and staying tuned for the next episode. And we could dive deep into this or other software. Let me know what you want me to take a look at, and I'll go into it. The name is Stack Bounty, so it's all about software and the reviews and how you could use it to, maximize your marketing and your business. Take care. Thanks for watching.